So, funny thing, I was over there, other side of the yard, picking up flower pots that when the guys blew the leaves, they probably just threw them to the side. And they were kind of in my neighbor's yard. And there was some plastic bottles in the ground. I was like, probably the guys. They probably did that when they were working out here once before. So I picked up plastic bottles, throw them in the trash, and there's a bunch of leaves on our neighbor's side. So I'm walking through them, and mind you, I have on these heavy boots, thank God. And suddenly something moves from under the leaves. And I mean, it moves like it was a body. Like it was probably a snake. If it wasn't, it was some kind of critter. Whatever it was, I didn't want to stand there and wait for it to show itself. So anyway, I'm out here picking up my pots because I don't have anything in them right now. Now I might put something in that one. Just making sure they don't blow all over the place like they had been. But yeah, we've got to get some wood burning action out here because there's way too many pieces of wood, stacks of wood for us to have this all out here. Like now, this blew to the side. Gotta fold this up, put it up so it'll look neater out here. Yeah, my compost, I need to either compost it or get rid of it. So anyway, this is the garden. This is the yeah. Can I go back over there? Should I go back now? I'll bring you with me just in case. Yeah. Oh boy. Stuff to do. Gotta pick that up. That's liner. Another fire pit area. I think I'm gonna put all my unused pots in here until I get something done with it. But yeah, that's where the thing was moving over there. Don't think I'm gonna go back over there right now. But I am going to pick up, when hubby comes out, and have him throw away all my compost. I just don't think I'm going to collect it here anymore. If I have things to compost, it'll just go straight into the back where the leaves are and call it a day. Yeah. I think he's coming now. Oh, yeah, he's down there. So we're about to get started. Let's get this party started. It's a fire pit party.